Hey, good afternoon. This is Solar Max. It's 12:15 here in DeSoto, and got my daughter here. Wondering when she's going to take a nap today, or am I going to have to give her lunch first? But I thought her and I can enjoy the latest information that we have out there, according to the solar storming that we have going on. As you can see, we even have some of these sites are not actually getting to report in. Solar flux 237, that's pretty high here. There's your magnetogram of that sunspot there. Remember the red and the blue and the blue and the red. We do have some mixing here, so potential, yeah, sure. Um, we see a downward trend and a leveling off here. However, the impact is not going to hit us until tomorrow as far as the plasma. And this is what is coming at us. I thought I'd go ahead and let you check that out. The itsy bitsy spider dried up all the rain. That's a song my daughter's playing right now. I'll go ahead and let you rewatch that. What I'm going to have come up next is a personal video um, of mine that I did. And come on, play there, guy. And here we go. We're talking now. I have a top of the line system, folks. Nothing stops my system. Okay, I'm an IT professional, and it's really top. I got a high speed connection. Okay, where I can run multiple devices, etc. It shouldn't take any buffering, and I mean, you name it. And I shouldn't be having this problem. So, suspicious observers is trying to tell me, oh, we're not going to have any IT problems. Look at this. Can I please get a play here? All right. This shouldn't be happening on any of this. And like when I'm loading the spiral here, uh, they're not having a good time of it either. Okay, our machine should be able to run all this all the way through. Okay, with no problem. And with this window over here loading immediately, so I can guarantee you that 30% of your internet loading something like that uh, is transmitted. Okay, it's not in a wire or in a fiber optic cable. It's transmitted, and I wanted you to take a very close look at what's going to happen to our magnetics when this thing hits us and when it hits us. Look at the lines, folks. All right, even Mars. I mean, take a look at Mars. For crying out loud. Uh, we should see what's going to happen to Mars. I mean, we're not the only planet out there. And then we got, Venus. We had that look on Alaska where it looked like it was on fire, for crying out loud. We had Ben Time Traveler. He was like, oh, this isn't a planet. I told him that Venus was in transition, and that's what you're looking at. And that was the hit that they are getting there at Venus. And it will react to their magnetic field there and ours, but look at the way our lines just tweak. You know, I mean, almost as it's sucking and wrapping it around. This is icing, by the way. Boy, it's still there, huh? No, it's not there at all. And as you can see on the 3D model, we are taking a direct hit. So, and BP Earthwatch actually made a very fine point when it comes to the impact to Japan and the possibility of earthquakes. Okay, you can see at what time of the day, um, and we got our solar absorption rate is easing here. Okay, a little bit. And I want to start with that. Okay, and so it's easing here. Why? Well, let's. I'm going to have you take a look at my personal video that I made this morning.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we just had the X1 and an M, and a pretty strong M class after that. Pio. Look at that halo and then that guy over there, huh? Now we know what chemtrails are for, folks. Okay. I mean, they're out here like a mad dog out here trying to put up a shield. All right, guys. Chemtrails, what are they for? Geoengineering, weather modification. Yeah, I got to modify the weather in order to shield us from what's coming from that bad boy. Halo around that sun, huh? See a direct result, okay? They knew this inbound energy. Now they'll be chemtrailing all night. You betcha. Because actually, this is going to hit us here in the evening, on Thursday evening. So they'll be up here all day. Yeah. They're supposed to have clear skies today, but you know. Now they got snow down south of us. That was not predicted yesterday. Sundog, look at that. Sundogs everywhere. Okay. Now take a look at the. This is pointing west, southwest. Okay. Am I zoomed out all the way? Yeah. I tend to try to videotape as much of the sky as fast as possible, but look at that. We got a double halo with the sundog. It's what's on the other side here. See the sundog outside of the halo? And they say, oh, these are real rare. And I'll be quiet for a second. You hear the geoengineer guys go over. And I was wondering what I was going to do for a video today. You know, you guys should step outdoors and take a look. Now, I have special glasses on right now that shield my eyes to be able to look in that direction for the UV protection. Plus, I have polarized lenses on my glasses, so this aids in me looking at what's going on. But you know, these are not your normal clouds, folks. This is direct aerosolized injection. Okay. And you can bet right now our solar absorption right now is off the charts. If they were doing this, you'd see red over America. Right now it's red on both poles and coming through on all spectrums. See, there's your geoengineer guy. I heard him up there. Hope I'm zooming in right for you guys. But there's the chemtrails. Right there.
It's all chemical, guys. Every bit of it.
I should step over here.
Every bit
Some
of
of my vids like these from my home, I like to set to music because we get some pretty fantastic sights that happen around here. Right here in the smack dab middle of the United States. Boy, you can really see that camera on the sun. And I don't write a script. It's just all just true to life, folks. And thanks for your shout out, suspicious observers, and your communication with me about what's going on. I respect your advice. When I talk about the difficulty with the internet, I'm an IT specialist, so I can tell you that a lot of your IT or information technology is transmitted over the air from point of access places, etc. Some of it's through fiber, T1, 2, and 3 lines. Good thing we have them right now. But yeah, live shot here of your son today. As the geoengineer guys get out there and do their thing. All right, there'd be a lot more going on right now if these guys weren't up there. And there's a purpose. I mean, if this program was to just disappear all of a sudden, I think you guys would ask for it back. I don't know. I'm not, paid by these guys. I don't, you know, but there's a reason why they're doing it. And we've had light activity and but heavy geoengineering the last couple of days. But as far as the chemtrails, they've been pretty light till now. It's like a direct correlation of solar weather equals your Earth weather.
Okay, so there you go, folks. And that was my personal video. And this is why this is actually staying a little bit on the light side. I bet you these guys are out there um, chemtrailing like mad all over the uh, northern part of the continent here. And I'm sure South America has their own programs. But I could definitely tell you that probably in all communities you'll see an uptick in chemtrail activity and uh, cloud storms, that type of thing, um, uh, as they modify your weather to prepare for this. Okay, I just wanted to go ahead and point that out. That's my video for the day, and go ahead and pop back and get you a live report on your CME activity here. Some C's almost in there. We see, like I was telling you about that strong M after the X 1.2 make a correction there I made earlier. But we still actually have some pretty high intense activity directed at us. We don't want to forget, this guy right here. It's going to be around for a while. And down here at 1949 even has some potentiality here. So I hope this video that I make today is finding you all well, and God bless.